What is up? Welcome back to Your Lake Fort Guide. Another beautiful day, deep East Texas, Lake Monticello one more time. Probably the last time for a while. I know I've been fishing here a bunch, but like I said, the lake's fixing to go through some big changes, so I want to take advantage of it while I can. We got big news today. I got one of my favorite guests. He's one of my very close personal friends and one of the more fun guys I ever have on the boat. Old Patty Stack.
What's up, fishing fans?
There he is. Check out that shirt he's wearing. What you wearing, dog? Look at this.
Modeling the new fall fashion.
It's got a hood on. Throw that hood up real quick, huh?
Come on.
Sometimes you got to throw your hood up every once in a while,
Right.
player. Look at him.
Going
Looking
gangster,
good.
baby.
Got a little quarter zip. That, folks, is the new Your Lake Fort Guide fishing shirt. How is that thing?
Love it, man.
Cozy,
it. Hopefully
right?
I'm going to get lucky in it, right?
It's your new lucky
I mean,
shirt.
fishing. Right, I'm just talking fishing.
Oh.
Baby, it's just fishing, Mom. Yeah.
That's right, Gina. Don't be getting angry.
Right,
We're just fishing.
right. No.
We're only chasing fat girls, not skinny girls.
That's right.
That's right. So there you go, man. Comfortable?
Oh, I love it. Love it.
Good material, right?
Oh, it's beautiful.
That is one of the highest end materials. I handpicked what that shirt's made out of. I love everything about it. If you guys want one, be sure you check out the link in the description below because it is now for sale. So check that out. All right, let's go, Pat. We're going to go get after them today.
Come on. That's a good one to start the day right there. Hold on, I'm coming to you, Pat. I clip this and this.
That's a good fish to start the day, though. Yes, indeed. Look at that little chunky thing.
Hey.
Huh?
And I'm trying to lose weight. What are you talking about, chunky?
I wasn't talking about you.
Oh,
I wasn't talking about you, big dog.
and look at that.
Talking about your little short girlfriend right there.
Huh? Look at that.
Huh? There it is. The old
Smash.
hollow belly.
Yeah, baby.
Smash tag.
Dude, he about
Getting it
took the rod out of my hand. I had to reach up her mother hand.
They do it.
It was going the other way, dude.
Sometimes they hit that swim bait going the other way. They'll about jerk it away from you. It's not quite ready. You know when it gets good, Bubba? I feel like when all that shell's breaking up back in there. But when you can just troll through there and fish that, that's what
Nothing. I watched him eat that. That was cool. Bobby, come on. No. I watched him eat that.
Was he big?
That's a good fish.
Man, hey, can't be losing no fish. You're not allowed to lose fish on old red now. That's part of the gig. Tell him, folks. Y'all get him in the comments for losing that fish. Tear him up.
Oh, he ate my lunch, dude.
Dude, that little hollow belly might be the deal today. That's 2 bites real quick. Called the location though, didn't we? Oh. There you go. Little short chunk right there, just a solid little fun fish. Right at the end of that long cast, it becomes a bit of a chore to get them in.
Right. Well. Got that weed guard on.
Oh, out here? That day you talking about or today? Today?
Just like you did the Johnson Silver Minnow back in the day.
I've got it.
No, I'm good. Yeah.
That's a biggie, boy. That's the same one you caught earlier for sure. As big as I thought he was when I seen that old white belly.
Saw that pad.
Saw that white belly. Old pad mixed in there with him. Solid one though. Show that off to the folks at home right there.
Folks at home, folks at home.
Yeah, good job, my man. Yeah. Patty stack out here putting it to him today. This is reason number 27. He's my favorite boat guest, or at least one of, if not the very. I got some smoked sausage with what, cheddar and jalapeno?
Cheddar and jalapeno, baby.
And the smoked sausage, and then we got some smoked rib or what? Just
good old-fashioned baby backs on applewood.
Baby backs on applewood. And this man, some might call him a genius on the smoker. I'm gonna tell you, I would qualify as one that would. So
I can get a backlash like the best of them.
Yeah, you bring me good groceries, you become my favorite real quick.
Right.
Oh, come on, you just come on. Oh, no. Dang it. Come on, Patty, talk dirty to me. Part of what I just dug that out of. That's probably less than half.
Look where he's hooked at.
No wonder he felt big. He was right on top of his head. Oh, Pat. That's Pat's fish, but I think I had to work harder for it than he did.
I think you did, buddy. I think you did. You're entitled. Thank you. I appreciate you.
Good job, brother. Good job hanging on to that.
Yeah, buddy.
Thank God for you. We would have had no video if it wasn't for you. It would have been the worst Your Lake Fort Gun video of all time if it wasn't for my boy Patty Stagg.
Got lucky.
Yeah, I got very unlucky in many ways. Folks, it was not my day. It was just not my day today, was it, buddy?
Boy, struggled a little bit.
I had
a little tough for you.
I had a lot of everything. Murphy's Law was in effect for me, and had some break offs and some get offs and a whole lot of excuses. But hey, what What a good time, though.
Oh, it was a ball.
Always enjoy hanging out with this guy.
Yeah.
Good groceries, good
Oh, yeah.
people, good times. So good times. We hope y'all enjoyed it. Lake Monticello, it's been a special lake for a lot of years, and I don't know what's going to become of it. I don't know what's going to happen going forward when they turn the heat off to it. And moreover than that, man, hey, I feel so bad for all those guys that work right over there at that building y'all see in the background. There's a lot of people going to lose their jobs out here, and that's a sad, sad deal. So hate to see anything like that happen. Hate to see, selfishly, hate to see the fishing get changed, maybe for the worse, maybe not, we'll see. But either way, we're enjoying it right now.
It's a good time. We'll be back.
Yeah, boy. Well, hey, we hope y'all enjoyed that. As always, if you like this video, do us a favor, hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more, be sure and subscribe to the channel. Or if you're watching on Facebook, go ahead and like the Your Lake Fort Guide Facebook page. Definitely leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you thought. Let us know what you want to see in the upcoming videos, and we'll do our best to accommodate. If you have time, share this video. Get us out to your friends. Help us grow this community. We're all about helping others catch more fish and loving our fellow man. That's what we do.
Amen.
That's right. We'll see you guys next time right here on Your Lake Fort Guide.
Oh, come on, you just come on. Oh, dang it. Cool. Bobby, come on.
No! You're not allowed to lose fish on low red now. Y'all get him in the comments for losing that fish. Tear him up.